First, outside, inside, last. This is a method for multiplying binomials. F is for first, O is for outside, I is for inside, and L is for last. So 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 5. We start with the first two terms. 2x and 3x multiplied together gives us 6x squared. Then the outside 2x plus 5 multiplied together gives us 10x. And the inside 3 and 3x multiplied together give us 9x. And last but not least, 3 and 5 multiplied together gives us 15. Now the 10x and the 9x we can combine, and that is our answer. Now let's try another. 4x minus 2 times 2x plus 1. First gives us 8x squared. The outside gives us 4x, and the inside, be careful to always look at the sign. That's a negative 2 times 2x gives us negative 4x. And the last, negative 2 times positive 1 gives us negative 2. The positive 4x and negative 4x can cancel to 0x, and we just don't write 0x. Our answer is 8x squared minus 2. Now, you have been doing this for a long time, and maybe just didn't realize you were doing it, or maybe your teacher told you you were doing it, but we're going to do 10 plus 3 times 20 plus 1, which, if you remember from primary or elementary school, is the traditional column method. 10 plus 3 is really 13, and we're multiplying that by 20 plus 1, which is really 21. So let's look at how they are the same thing. We're going to do it in a different order, starting with the last. 3 times 1 gives us 3. And over here on the column method, you can see we start with 3 times 1, and that will give us 3. Then we do the outside, which is 10 times 1, which gives us 10. And in the column method, you can see we have a 1 in the tens column, so that's really a 10, times a 1 in the ones column. So this is the same thing as 10 times 1, and it gives us 10 there. Then the inside is 3 times 20, which gives us 60, and over here in the column method we have a 3 times a 2 in the tens place. The 2 in the tens place is really a 20. So 3 times 2 gives us 60, or 3 times 20 gives us 60. And then we do the first, which is 10 times 20, that gives us 200. And in the column method, that's a 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the tens place, so that's really 10 times 20, which gives us 200, a 2 in the hundreds place. And now we can combine down here. 60 plus 200 is 260, and let's do 3 plus 10 is 13, and you should be seeing that these are the same thing. We're still, at both of them, we're at 13 plus 260. So 273 there, and let's finish the column method here. 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 2. So we got 273 using the column method and using the FOIL method. That's FOIL, first, outside, inside, last.